So we start new topic in chapter 3, and topic is Schar Shabbos, right? Earning on Shabbos. As we said, it's a part of prohibition to write on Shabbos, right? But it's such a big issue, right? I mean, there is so many details. That's what I mean, right? So we said that we're going to discuss in a separate chapter. Okay, Schar Shabbos. As mentioned in the previous chapter, the sages forbade earning in any type of business transaction on Shabbos, because business transaction often lead to writing. One of the things covered by this prohibition is earning compensation for services performed on Shabbos. This aspect of prohibition is known as Schar Shabbos, earning on Shabbos. In addition to the prohibition earning of compensation, the sages decreed that if person receives Shabbos earnings, that is, he was paid after Shabbos for the service performed on Shabbos, it is forbidden for him or anyone else to derive benefit from these earnings. Okay, so let's, it's very interesting introduction, so let's do it again and re-explain. Sages, okay, so our sages forbade earnings of any time business transaction on Shabbos. As we said, even the gifts, in under certain circumstances, gifts it's only is also transaction. As we said last time, even hefker, like if you declare something honorless, it's also a type of transaction. But of course, the classic type of transaction when you buy something, or right from somebody, or you work for somebody, or somebody works for you, and a person is being paid, right? So why? Because especially in olden days, today many things are done electronically, right? So in olden days, you would go. I remember Friday morning, somebody would go to the secretary, and she would give him checks. Of course, everything is sealed in envelopes, and this person would, or the secretary itself would give all of us a paycheck. And you would have to go to bank and deposit checks. But it was all long time ago. Since then, everything is done electronically. So technically, there is nothing to write, right? And like it's done electronically, automatically. But in olden days, right, everything they would be handwritten. If somebody wants to give you a check or something, they would have to write it. Okay. So that's why it is transaction. It is so earning, so working on Shabbos, like for compensation, generally forbidden. But we're going to see many exceptions. What work are forbidden, how a person get paid, etc. Okay, so all of the details to follow. Okay. One of the things covered by this prohibition are the compensation for services performed on Shabbos. When somebody worked specifically on Shabbos only, and or a person was paid for Shabbos only, even if he worked other days as well. Okay. So this aspect, this prohibition is known as Schar Shabbos, right? And after all, right, a person, let's say he received compensation. So sages actually say that person is not allowed to use this money, right? Him or no one else. So, and we're going to see the same prohibition actually applies to many other things. When another Jew is desecrate Shabbos, so we're not allowed to derive benefit. Like how is it? How does it look to you, right? Somebody is losing their portion in the world to come and you enjoy it from his cooking or from his whatever, right? Absolutely not, right? 1 second, let me take it out. Okay. So, right, it is forbidden, and it does not say here, but we actually learned that this money is cursed. So, meaning all of the Jews who unfortunately still are working on Shabbos, they're going to lose this money, guaranteed, and they're going to be punished. So I always tell them, people who I know that work on Shabbos, so it's not. And some people, you would be surprised. They say, "Yes, you know what happened? My car transmission, all of this, and they very excited, how did I know that after they work on Shabbos, this and this happened?" I said, and guess what? Unfortunately, many times people go back to their evil ways. Unfortunately, not everybody, but many.